Workshop number 2, the almighty Facebook pixel. If you don't know what the Facebook pixel is, basically it's some computer code that Facebook supplies to you to put into your website. And that way, Facebook can track people coming and going to your website and what exactly they did on your website. Did they go to the main page? Did they fill out a form? Did they put something in their cart? Did they request access to you? Which pages did they go to? Facebook can track all of that, and then you can actually go back and retarget people depending on where they ended up on your website with certain kinds of advertising. Now, this might not be something that you use right now. It might be something that you use a little further down the road when you get a little more sophisticated with your Facebook ads, or when you hire somebody on like Forward Marketing who can help you with this process. But the really cool part is if you have the Facebook pixel set up, you're already good. You're tracking data, you're tracking information that will help you down the road when you're ready to seriously dive in to more in-depth Facebook advertising. So I think it's very important to have the pixel set up, because if you don't do it now, are you going to do it later? You're going to want to start running Facebook ads. You're going to want to start using the pixel, and you're not going to have it set up, and you're going to have to go through this whole process later on. So let's just dive in, do it now. We'll have it ready to go, okay? Let's head over to your Facebook where we left off last time at business.facebook.com. There are 2 ways to reach the Facebook pixel. If you just click the Facebook button up here, which takes you to the business home, it's going to reload the same screen that I was just on. When you're on this screen, and like I said, it might look different for you, but you're going to see Events Manager somewhere. See Events Manager? Click Events Manager. That's going to open up a data sources page. And I already have all these Facebook pixels in here, so this is just a chance for you to look at this to understand what's going on. But you're going to go to this green button right here. See that green button on the left side? Connect data sources. You click that. Connect a new data source. You're most likely going to want to do this from your website, right? So you'll click Website, click Connect. You're going to click Facebook Pixel, Connect. You're going to read this if you want to. Click Continue, and now you can put in Name the Pixel. So whatever your business name is, right? So we're Forward Marketing, right? Forward Marketing Pixel is what you could name it. And you can also put the website in there as well, okay? That's one way to find it, and you're going to click Continue once you do that. The other way to find your Facebook pixel, and both of these methods will lead us to the same place. So go down to the little wheel again, the cog wheel here, the business settings wheel. You can click that. This is another way to find your Facebook pixel. Once you're in business settings, you're going to scroll down to data sources here where it says pixels, okay? 2 different ways to find it, just in case you get lost. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to create a new Facebook pixel. So if you don't have one created, this little add button will be like right here in the center of your screen, but I already have some created, so I'm going to click add for a new one. It'll bring up this fancy little screen, and you're going to name your pixel, whatever it might be. So that's just a name mine generated. You can put in your website here, or you can do it later. I mean, why not put it in now? Can't really hurt. You're going to click Continue. And it'll ask you, do you want to continue managing the business or setting up the pixel? I'm here for the pixel. Let's set it up, for crying out loud. So here's the part where it can be installed. If you are tech savvy, or if you have like a Squarespace, WordPress, Shopify page, add code using partner integrations. If you click on this, you'll see if you have any of these website builders, which these are kind of like pre-built for you kind of deals, drag and drops for some of them. WordPress is in there, WooCommerce is in there, Drupal, the classics, you can choose from those. Shopify, Squarespace, some of the big name ones are there. You'd want to use that. So you click your partner, and it'll walk you through your process there. Now, if you are going to do this, let me go through this process again here, because it takes me the whole way out for some reason. And now for some reason it's not loading. Come on, Facebook. What a way to waste all of our time with the spinning wheel of doom. Let's try that again. There we go. All right. Let's hope it goes through. And come on, Facebook. There we go. So the other ways you can do this are to manually add the pixel to the website. So if you know what you're doing, you can manually add it. I imagine most of us, including myself, I'm not exactly an expert in code or any sort of expert at all when it comes to coding. So I would have to use the partner integration or email the instructions to the developer. So say you're working with Forward Marketing or another digital marketing company, you can email the instructions, add the emails recipient up there, send them the Facebook Pixel. They install the Facebook Pixel onto the website, get the event code for the conversions on your website. Boom, send that bad boy, and you are good to go, okay? Then your Facebook Pixel will be installed, it's going to be on your website, and you're going to be ready to rock. It can be that easy. Now, if you're doing this yourself, it might be a little bit more complicated. Listen, we're all in the room here right now, myself, Tony, Kevin, and Kendra. We can help you with this. If you have questions, please just ask us, and we can jump in and make sure that we give you the best information that we possibly can. But real quick, I want to step back for a second and set up your brand safety at the end of this video, okay? So brand safety, this is on the same field here on the business settings page. Your brand safety, click domains. You do not have any domains set up yet. So what you want to do is click add, and you're going to add, I'm just going to add forwardmarketing.com. I'm going to add this to my site, not verified. So it's going to walk you through a process here, and this might be also something else for a developer that you're working with to do for you, because this might be too complicated for you. And I'm really trying to walk you through this process step by step, but some of this stuff might reach a breaking point for you where you need somebody else to do it for you. So you get to this meta tag option here, you're going to copy this, see that, copy to clipboard. You're going to go into your website's homepage, HTML source, and you're going to put in between those two headers there, you're going to put this copy right there, right into the code of the page. You'll publish, you'll verify the domain, and now your domain will be verified through Facebook. I hope that was relatively easily explained to you. I know this stuff can be kind of complicated, so like I said, if you finish this video, and these are a little bit longer because I need to be a little more in-depth with this stuff, but we are here in the room, ready to answer questions. Shoot a question off to us right now. Ask whatever you want, and I will catch you in the third video. Thank you so much.